Hi student, I hope you are well. Now I will solve algebraic problem such as x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Then find the value of root x minus 1 by root x. Okay, solution. Solution. Given that x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2 cancel. Then we'll get 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay. 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay. 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 square means 9. Minus 2 root 2 square means 8. 1. 3 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Therefore, the value of 1 by x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Now, x plus 1 by x is equal to the value of x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 plus the value of 1 by x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 cancel. 3, 3, 6. Now, root x minus 1 by root x square is equal to a square minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x plus 1 by root x square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square means 1 by root x square. Cancel. Square root cancel. X minus 2 plus 1 by root x means 1 by root x square means 1 by x. Then x plus 1 by x minus 2. X plus 1 by x means 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, root x minus 1 by root x square 4. Root x minus 1 by root x 4. 4 root of 4 2. This is the answer and this is the solution. Thank you, student.